In this video, we will be comparing two powerful motherboards designed for AMD Ryzen processors, the MSI B550-A PRO and the MSI B550 Gaming GEN3. Both motherboards offer unique features tailored for different types of users, whether you're a gamer or a professional. We'll dive into their specifications, performance capabilities, and pricing to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. When it comes to pricing, the MSI B550-A PRO is priced at $145 US, while the MSI B550 Gaming GEN3 is slightly more affordable at $119 US. This price difference may influence your decision depending on your budget and the features you prioritize in a motherboard. In terms of performance, the MSI B550-A PRO supports PCIe 4.0, which allows for faster data transfer rates and improved performance with compatible devices. On the other hand, the MSI B550 Gaming GEN3 supports PCIe 3.0, which, while still capable, does not offer the same level of speed and efficiency as PCIe 4.0. This could be a crucial factor for users looking to maximize their system's performance. Connectivity is another important aspect to consider. The MSI B550-A PRO features USB 3.2 Gen 2 ports, providing faster data transfer speeds compared to the USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports found on the MSI B550 Gaming GEN3. This can be particularly beneficial for users who frequently transfer large files or use high-speed peripherals. In conclusion, both the MSI B550-A PRO and MSI B550 Gaming GEN3 motherboards offer excellent features for their respective price points. The B550-A PRO stands out with its PCIe 4.0 support and faster USB connectivity, making it a great choice for performance enthusiasts. Meanwhile, the B550 Gaming GEN3 offers a more budget-friendly option without sacrificing essential features for gaming. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech reviews.